Hi patrons, showing you the installation video of a very innovative heel shifter. Well, of course, you get 3-point mounting, right? And the threading is in the SS plate, so you will never have to worry about any rust damage and things like that. And it comes with bimetal, heel shifter support here. You can decrease the size of it, increase it if you want to, but this is the length we give you. Now, important part is that it is basically this part that you see locks over here on the heel shifter, on your toe shifter, and this plate basically supports here. So this plate supports this whole heel shifter on the toe shifter with no interference from the stock parts. Now, the key here is to understand that, see, if you see the top part, it's a straight line. Bottom part, it's going down a bit. It's a tapered line. So this piece has to be in that way. This part is straight, this part is tapered down, if you can make that out, right? So it has to be in that way. Now all you have to do is to open this up when you receive it. Make sure when you install it, use the thread locker we sent. Put 1 drop of thread locker when you reach your final tightening position. It comes like this, okay? This is the way it comes. Now, as I said, there is a tapered part in this, right? This part is tapering down. The top part is straight. So this will come as a top part. Push these bolts a little bit outside. And push these also a little bit outside. Align the back bolt first. Then align these bolts. Once you get all 4 bolts in, like what I have done here, hold it in position. One by one, put the washer back. Put little bit of thread locker on each of the threads here and mount your nut up. Make sure your bike is not too hot when you're working, because the exhaust bend pipe is very close to this. So there is a chance you could burn your hand. So let it cool down before you work on it. The spanner, 8 size spanner behind, and you can finally bring it to the full top. and that's all. Right? And this you can adjust if you are using it with the rubber, without the rubber. If you use a heel, riding boot with big heels, then you may want to bring it down. If you use a flat sole, then you may want to bring it up. Depends on your riding style, but I can assure you, you will love the product. Thank you.